do shares, buying them. And so I'm just trying to kind of confuse on whether or not to do limit or market. And if I did limit, would it be the active bid or last?
Well, usually, just so you know, if I'm just buying shares, I'll do market just because it might be off by a penny or two, but I want to buy it now. If you are trying to buy it at an exact price, use limit. Okay. Say it's at 1203, but you only want to pay 12, you'll set limit for 12, right? That means don't buy it unless it's this exact number. But if you're like, I just want to buy it because I'm going to scalp it or hold it, I'll do a market because I don't care if I pay 1203 or 1204 because it's starting to run and it's moving the way I want. But if I want to pay X price, the exact price, I use limit. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So market would be if it's like basically running,
Correct.
and limit if I want it, if I think it's going to pull back.
Yeah, if I want to get into it fast, I just do market. If I'm trying to take my sweet time and I'm like, well, I don't want to buy it until it pulls back to this price, well, then I'll do limit. Right?
Okay. All right.
Now, if I really want to blow your mind, here's your other option. When you guys always hear me say, wait until it breaks new high a day before you enter. You see how high was at 124?
Yeah.
I could do a buy stop, and say 125. Don't buy any of these until it gets there. And then what this means is this is a future purchase that says once you break this level to the upside, go ahead and get in it. If I want to purchase this to the downside, meaning I want to wait till it's, let's say I want to get it at 121, that's when I do limit 121 and however many I want, and that will only buy it down here 121. Does that make sense?
Yes, I never knew about that stop. That's different.
Yep. Otherwise, I can just do a market and it just says buy it immediately, whether it's this penny or this doesn't matter. Whatever it's at the time I click go, scoop them up.
Okay, thank you. Because I got in, what's that, QH this morning, but I felt like it was going backwards. So I got out and then it halted up. So I was like,
yep.
And then I bought basically at the highest price. So I was like, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm doing this correctly.
Well, here's the thing. If you're a newer trader, don't get in on any of those. Those are really hard, right? But if you were trying to make this move, okay, I would do a buy market and sell market, or I would do a buy market and then I have to immediately go in here and put in a stop, right? So I have to immediately go in here and dump into a stop, right?
Right. So I bought basically at, I guess it would be your time, 9:30, and it pulled back. So I didn't know whether or not I should move my stop loss back some more because then it went down, as you can see.
No, never. Yeah, nope, never move them back. Nope.
So what would give me the indication of a best time to get in for the hot stop pick? Like just wait for the super trend and then above VWAP?
Well, if you listen to our live, I called it out a bunch, right? That will help. So if you're able to watch the live, you will hear me say all of them. You'll hear all of us. QH hot stock pick, right? Moving to the upside, right? If you're scalping it, you can use the 1 minute. You see my 1 minute? So you can be looking at this. See all this? If you bought it in here, you can see how it went down. Do you see how everything's just lower?
Right. That's why I got out.
Yep. But if you bought in right here, kind of like we do off of EWO, right there's your buy, and then you got to ride it up. So you can use the EWO on any time frame. It doesn't matter, right? See it here. So, but if you're new to trading, don't get in on any of those rocket ships. They're too hard. They're too hard to manipulate because the first thing you want to master is your mechanics, which is buy in, buy out, trailing stop, stop losses. So you would practice with one share. You would do one, master it. How do you do it? How did I enter? How did I exit? Was it right? Etc. Make sense?
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.